Well, I think all of us have had those doors that like to swing open or close by themselves. This one would actually close about halfway if it wasn't held by carpet. If you ask a carpenter, he's going to say, well, you need to take the door off, shim behind the hinges. That's all fine and dandy, but I know a really easy way to fix that in about 5 minutes. Start by removing the bottom hinge pin. Get the pin to a hard surface and smack it right in the center. Not too hard, just enough to start with a little bend. Then replace the pin. It may go in a little harder than it came out. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. When you're doing this, always start with the bottom hinge. If that doesn't quite work, move on up to the next one. By bending that pin, you're causing more friction on that hinge, which makes the door tighter. But if you bend it too much, you may not get it back in the hinge. So just be careful, don't overdo it, and this should work for you every time. Thanks for watching.